Have you ever wondered what would happen if we replaced our familiar sun with something unimaginably massive like TON 618? TON 618 is a supermassive black hole, and its sheer size is mind-boggling. To put it into perspective, the radius out to its event horizon would be roughly 400 billion kilometers, 40 times the distance from Pluto to the Sun. Picture this: Earth, along with all known planets, moons, asteroids, and objects in the Kuiper belt, would be inside the event horizon of this colossal black hole. Even Voyager 1, our most distant spacecraft, would be just 1/20th of the way from the central singularity to the event horizon. We would be trapped and spiraling inwards towards the inevitable singularity. Depending on how the replacement was executed, it could result in our demise either instantly or over a relatively short time frame, though still within the blink of an eye on cosmic scales. If TON 618 were placed anywhere within our solar system, we would already be inside the event horizon, and our journey towards the singularity would be swift. Tidal forces would tear our planet apart long before we reached that point. Now, let's consider a scenario where TON 618 is near, say, as far away as Alpha Centauri. In this case, our destruction wouldn't be immediate. Initially, the local effects would be subtle. Earth would continue orbiting the Sun much as it does now, seasons would change, and we might not notice any significant differences if we weren't stargazing. However, the entire solar system would be in motion, moving rapidly toward TON 618. After roughly 70 years, we'd have covered half the distance, and our speed would continue to increase. The inner solar system would remain relatively stable, but the Kuiper belt would disintegrate, with objects scattering in its wake. 100 years into this cosmic journey, we'd have traveled about 4 light years, and things would start to get dicey. The entire solar system would elongate, including Earth's orbit. Eventually, we'd reach a point where TON 618's gravity overpowers the Sun's, and we'd no longer be in orbit around it. We might start experiencing noticeable shifts in tides and seismic activity due to this gravitational shift. Depending on our position in the orbit, we could get uncomfortably close or far from the Sun. But time is not on our side. We'd be hurtling at breakneck speeds, nearly 1 billion kilometers per hour. Within a week, we'd cross the event horizon, and our fate would be sealed. If the Sun were replaced with TON 618, its event horizon would stretch out to 1,300 astronomical units, $1 being the average distance from the Earth to the Sun. That's more than 30 times larger than our entire solar system if you define its outer boundary at Pluto's orbit. The idea of replacing the Sun with TON 618 might seem like science fiction, but it highlights the delicate cosmic balance that sustains our existence. It reminds us of the wonders and mysteries of the universe. If you want to dive even deeper into cosmic mysteries and fascinating topics, don't forget to check out my blog. You can find the link in the pinned comment below this video.